Hello and welcome to this short video about how you connect to ChatGPT using Python. It is actually pretty straightforward. It's only this code that we need, which you can get from my blog in the link in the description. So what I will do in this video is to explain what the code are doing and also how you get your own API key. So first of all, if we take a look at the code, we can see that we import the request library and the JSON library. And actually, let me just zoom in a bit. And after importing the libraries, we are going to create a variable called API key, which will contain our API key that we generate from the OpenAI's website. And then the next thing to do is to actually make the post request, where we will make a connection to the OpenAI's completion endpoint, and this is the URL for that. And then in the header that we sent, we want to tell that the content type is JSON, and we want to authorize with a bearer token, which is our API key. And then the last thing we need in this post request is our JSON. And in this case, I sent the prompt, a model, and a max tokens, where the prompt is the text that we're going to send to the ChatGPT model engine. And that's actually just like when you go to ChatGPT's website and you just enter some text that you want answer to. And right now the model that we want to connect to is called Text DaVinci 003, which right now is the most powerful model that we can connect to, but also the most expensive. And then we want to say that we maximum want to use 1000 tokens on this request. On the OpenAI's website, they say that 1000 token is roughly 750 words, but you can always play around with it to see how long a response that you get. On the last two lines, we take the text from the response that we get and then we display it. You get a lot of data returned in the response, but by doing this, you will actually get the text that it generates to you. So let's try and run this. So it took around 5 seconds to get the response, but the thing you have to do is to go and get your own API key, and you'll do that by going to the openai.com website and click on the API, and then you want to log in or sign up if you don't have a login already. And then when you're logged in, you come to this part, or I actually think you come to this part when you log in for the first time, and then you want to go to the menu and say view API keys. And in my case, you can see that I have 4 API keys, but you'll need to create your own new secret key. So you can just click it and then it will generate the new API key that you just want to copy and insert to the code. And just be aware, when you say OK to this box, you will not be able to see the API key again. So if you need another one, you have to create one. You'll just have to remember to delete some of the keys if you don't use them anymore, so that they cannot be misused. But yeah, that's basically how you connect to the ChatGPT's model engine, so that you can get some response from it in Python. But else, just have a nice day. Bye.